chum say that's some white papa so no saa any ebe no bi for any day your life worship na ehihye so ye de brem kwa usro kokra so na send ya bomo ane de dada no life worship no Saturday no bia ni Sunday no die the bebo mo dia na say honhom ya peja wo ewo mu se na be ya won so ubetimi enya enkran share ewo ye wa brabo mu na saa dwumade yi enti ene ato yensa ede afre ya ka se nua bemma ye Inshraba na na kwesi na ebusafo adum e won so no enya asepeto enya afrika na bechechi mu se ye pe adum no emfa so enti we de eboa me na me ma na akwa basoro mi nya beni wo akwa ba bibia boko na biko hey Inshraba bu sampa but you be fi anu de bia ba yi put me kokwa na Inshraba udin sana sifa wo be ka say Inshraba na besi ni baba kokoro ya na je de no visual so be nkra na to say wo mu yenti a wo de to ho so be anything
the pacho
na sana no de wa ka sa chere udin mu aka say udin a wo for edito
the pacho meeting angasa mesani Henry Courty
pacho e nkeni
pacho na Inshraba no when I was ministering at the church, and one way or the other, the name came up through prophecy, and I received the name, and I received so the son.
Na matiti di ma ya say e ba le nyum so de so so be de jai uso mic mu se wo sore nyame a ensem sisi na wo bia so ansa na ebedu wo no efi baby enti se ministry no kwan ben so na ba
ministry no ye mama ya fa no pa na ko na ela na se me dia ha be tu se
okay
na ne da na se na the kai da bia
Oli ansa no be call story no ka me say me hu say e prepare na hu say oh with me too me and see ade dey make me working on the gateway na abeye Inshraba na amanfo
actually no starting when I was little bana mi sakura na me mama mo no na o ka asenya chen da no say bana mi no everything about me was music if you bana say na me if you are me so no kwa no we so we to know so and that was a good feeling na maybe feel no be share this out so as I was growing I was little and I mentioned something I was with
na about for me
for a piece for actually my papa na mini pa suffer and my mom so suffer mama
oh
actually no I don't know me a passion because we do for and my mom so to make us and I said mama mo side on na I didn't talk and papa side so na as of you so I don't need to offer
oh okay menti say wo papa odifo na mama so nyumto ni efi ni nche o sa ka na me asem na say wo mama won na wo fa pa na wo ba de kakra wo bi
me apa de wo kakra mama so wo bi kakra na 50
they see ade when I wo pray you mu because calling in the guma wo don't my you baby we need training ka so okay aha na wo
ministry wise no no na mafa to so so me ready ya na no ndi mo akoti me chen na se di fuduma no ana so fuduma
okay na enum kwa na wo to nyum then they say about mic now up down here now to enum kwa na wo e music
as in music e ba no nyum a ye to e ba no na asem so na me atom
na me bisa in terms of music mu say maybe obi wa otimi to nyum otimi sa bo instrument otimi sa ye nyama kakra ma ebi obi wa to sound engineering in the town e ma nyum edi mu woni me bisa na nyum nko
na me atom ode isenku bo so che me bo keyboard
okay
bo keyboard I no so mebɔ ɛna me stop at the same time.
And I don't know a double.
Nyame adom. Nyame.
Okay, they see a Yamra, a ministry, no, a chassis, listen, a Ceciano ministry chassis.
It was tough. It wasn't easy. Saying as I say, it was tough. Tell me, I become as I said. Should be free. Make them person and perform me.